Hi there, space enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Jupiter's moons. Did you know Jupiter has a whopping 67 confirmed moons? That's right. But today, we'll focus on the 4 big ones discovered by Galileo in 1610. These are Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, known as the Galilean moons. First up, Ganymede. It's the largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than Mercury. Ganymede is a mix of rock and ice with a liquid iron core and its own magnetic field. Scientists believe there's a salty ocean beneath its surface, making it a prime candidate for extraterrestrial life. Next we have Callisto. This moon is mostly rocky with a layer of ice and a dark cratered surface. Despite its size, Callisto shows no signs of volcanic or tectonic activity, making it a bit of a sleeping giant in Jupiter's moon family. Now let's talk about Io. Io is the most volcanically active body in our solar system, sporting over 400 active volcanoes. The intense tidal forces from Jupiter keep Io's interior molten, resulting in spectacular eruptions of sulfur that paint its surface in vivid colors. And then there's Europa. Slightly smaller than Earth's moon, Europa's surface is a dazzling cracked ice sheet. Beneath this icy shell lies a vast ocean kept liquid by tidal heating from Jupiter. With salt and organic materials present, Europa is a top contender in the search for life beyond Earth. Jupiter's many smaller moons, some with retrograde orbits, are likely captured asteroids. These moons form groups, hinting they might have originated from larger parent bodies. Finally, let's rethink the habitable zone. Traditionally, it's the area around a star where conditions are just right for life. However, moons like Europa show that tidal forces can create habitable environments far from their parent star. So there you have it. Jupiter's moons are a treasure trove of celestial wonders, each with its own unique story to tell. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep looking up. Catch you next time.